Now let us see the operation of depletion MOSFET. Now, if the NMOS has to be worked in depletion mode, the gate terminal, see in this figure, the gate terminal should be negative potential. So that is why we connected a negative terminal to the gate. So which is gate? This is the gate terminal. This will be your drain terminal. This will be your source terminal. So now we are applying the negative potential at the gate. While in drain is at positive potential. See the drain actually which is connected positive. The drain terminal is connected to positive potential will shown. So now when no voltage is applied means first we are not applied no voltage means VGS is equal to 0. We are not applied any voltage. If I'm not applying any voltage between the gate and the source, then the minority carriers, that is the holes, get attracted and settle near silicon dioxide layer. Which is the minority carrier here? So their majority carriers of this is the P, right? This is the P substrate. If the P substrate, the majority carriers are holes, the minority carriers are electrons. So those electrons will move towards like in the up here in this way, it will be attracted. Right, will be attracted and settle will be near the SiO2 layer. See, which is the SiO2 layer? This will be your SiO2 layer. It is act as a insulator actually. It is the SiO2 layer. So it will be attracted. But the majority carriers, which one? The electrons will get repelled. Okay, electrons will get repelled. So now with the some amount of negative voltage means second what you're doing, we are going to give like a VGS, we are applying negative voltage means I will say example it is something but a minus 1 volt. We are applying less negative potential voltage, certain amount of drain currents will flow. If I started to apply a negative voltage here, then from here, which one? From here from drain, right? Here it will start to flow. It start to flow actually. So certain amount of drain current ID will flow through source to drain actually, because source to drain ID flows source to drain. Normally we talk about drain to source earlier I said, right? So but normally if I say in the MOSFET, when you're considering the MOSFET for PMOS and for NMOS, so example I will say this is D drain, this is gate, this is source, this is for PMOS, this will be your NMOS example. Okay, this will be your drain, this will be your source, this will be your gate. So very important thing you need to know here, the current will flow like this means drain to source, but this is for PMOS. For NMOS the current will flow like this means source to drain. That is why I'm saying this is the source, or I can consider this is the source. So the current will flow like this. Then electrons will, the electric field will be in this way. Now you see in this, so when this negative potential is further increased means you are going to increase the VGS is more and more, like from -1 to -5. Example, gradually you are increasing. When you increase, what will happen? The electrons will get depleted and the current ID increases. Hence, the more negatives applied in the gate, the lesser the value of drain current ID will be. So, if I'm applying more and more negative voltage, what will happen? The ID will get reduced, because initially when VGS is equal to 0, your ID will be IDSS maximum. You can recall it your JFET. Same during the reverse bias in the depletion region, it is like a JFET only. Okay, so the channel near the drain, which one? This is the drain actually. This is the drain, right? The channel near the drain gets more depleted than at the source, because we'll have the depletion region. Like example, I want to show the depletion region here. See here. See, this will be your depletion region. Like this, the depletion will be there. So it will have like a drain gets more depleted in the drain. Why the drain gets more depleted? Because of it is fixed. You will have the VDS is fixed, this is large. If you are doing in this way, then what will happen? The current flow decreases due to this effect. It is called depletion mode MOSFET. So VGS is negative and less than VGS of. What is VGS of? Already we know that the VGS of is nothing but VP. That is pinch off voltage. That is a maximum voltage. So very simple. First we make VGS will be is equal to 0. If you are making VGS is equal to 0, the device what will happen? Already the channel was established. Actually, it doesn't conduct. Then here positive VDD has connected. So automatically what will happen? If I am not applying any voltage, also we will have the maximum current will be there. That is IDSS. Then what will happen when you are started to increase the VG voltage in the terms of negative? This is negative voltage. Start to increase, automatically what will happen? The current will start to flow from source to drain. So slowly the current will start to flow. You keep on, you increase the VGG voltage. Automatically what will happen? Your depletion region in this, like it will go as like a wider. It will get wider in the sense. In the drain side, your depletion region, width of the depletion will be larger than the source side. At that time, what will happen? The channel, it will try to pinch off the channel. The channel will be pinched. Means there will be a small amount of current will flow between source to drain actually. So almost I can say it will be constant current will flow. That is that I can say as like this. So now that is nothing but a depletion MOSFET. But when I go for enhancement mode, how it will be? Very, very simple. For enhancement mode, it will be like this. So what is the difference now for enhancement mode and depletion mode? Only simple difference in the diagram way. You can see there we applied VGS is negative in the depletion mode, but here in enhancement mode, the VGS is positive. So you need to apply a positive voltage. You see this? Positive. So this will not same. This is remain same only. So automatically here also you have to apply something. Two conditions. First condition is VGS is equal to 0. You have to apply. Means I can say the VGS is less than VTH. The device will not conduct. When the device will conduct, when VGS is greater than VT, threshold voltage, then only the device is on. The second condition I can say the VGS minus VT should be greater than VDS. Then this will be in a linear region. Then third condition is one more condition is there, like your VGS is minus VTH should be less than the VDS. Then it will be in the saturation region. So these are some three conditions I can say. So in the first condition, I can say this will be like a cutoff. You can see the diagram now. Nothing, no problem in this, right? So N channel, this will be your P substrate. This is P substrate.